Hey gang, welcome back to Opa's Diecast Restoration. Today we're doing another Tootsie toy. It's a Tootsie Toy Roadster. But before we get started, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. So let's have some fun. This will be a quick one because I know they're pretty simple. I don't want to drag it out on you. Grind down the burr on the end of the axle just enough to get the wheels off and get the axle slid out. These jeweler's burrs really cut the metal on these die-cast cars. Thank God I had them left over from my jewelry making days. First view of my new spray booth. I figured it out. I saw a lot of testing was done for wood shop on these 20-inch box fans, and it turns out they draw more air than most of these real expensive systems. So I decided to make my own. Here we are putting the primer on and your initial tack coat of the paint. Get some tire wash on the wheels. Can only get off so much of the rust with the wire brush. Heating up the axles. A little rust prevention technique. Here's what we started with. Tootsie Toy Roadster. I think it's from the 1960s, early 60s. Kind of a ugly yellow-green color. Here's what we ended up with. I detailed the seats, the motor, the steering wheel, the tailpipes, the running board. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. For now, this is Opa, the Tootsie Toy King, saying goodbye.